Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn lesson number 14, our mineral resources. We use various things like metals, petrol, coal, etc. These things exist deep inside the earth. They are called as minerals. Minerals are natural resources. Places from where the minerals are extracted or taken out with the help of machines are called mines. Big holes and tunnels are dug into the earth for this purpose. Now, natural resources like air, water, oil and forest are found on surface of the earth, and some natural resources are found deep inside the earth, which are dug out with the help of the mines, and this is called as mining, and they are also called as natural resource, and that are minerals. Some minerals are found on the earth, some minerals are found deep inside the earth. Now, what are ores? A rock that contains a large amount of a particular mineral is called as ore. For example, we have lead ore, gold ore, aluminium ore, copper ore. The process through which minerals are taken out from the earth is called mining. And minerals can be divided into two categories, that is metallic or non-metallic. Minerals like iron, gold, bauxite, silver and copper are the examples of metallic minerals, whereas coal, petroleum, limestone and mica are the examples of non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals contain a hard substance called metal. Non-metallic minerals do not contain any metal, and petroleum is also known as mineral oil. Now, metallic minerals, we get metals such as iron, copper, silver, aluminum, gold from metallic minerals. Iron is not found in pure form. It is mixed with rock, clay, sand. This is called iron ore. India has very rich deposits of iron ore. Most of them mines are in Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Goa and Madhya Pradesh. Iron is the main content of steel. Iron and steel industry is the basic industry which produces tools and machines for other industries. So mainly the iron ore are found in Jamshedpur, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Karnataka and Telangana. So here we can find iron ore. Iron ore is converted into iron and steel in plants which are found in Bhilai, Chhattisgarh, Jamshedpur and Bokaro, Jharkhand, Rourkela, Odisha, Durgapur, West Bengal, Salem, Tamil Nadu. Now, next type of metallic mineral is copper or copper ore. Copper ore are found in Jharkhand, Rajasthan. Khetri is famous for copper fields. Copper is used for making utensils and electric wires. Copper is good conductor of electricity, hence used in electrical appliances. India does not have enough copper deposits. Now next is aluminium ore. Aluminium ore is called as bauxite. Bauxite is found mainly in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat. They have plenty of bauxite reserves. Next is manganese. Manganese ore. Manganese is mainly used for making steel, chemicals and glass. Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka and Maharashtra are the main producers of manganese. India is the second largest producer of manganese in the world. So these were all about the mineral resources, especially metallic resources. Then next is gold ore. Gold is an expensive metal. Gold are found in Kolar mine in Karnataka, Ramagiri gold mine in Andhra Pradesh. They are made for using jewelry and gold coins. Next is diamond ore. Diamond is hardest mineral. Diamond is mined at Panna mine in Madhya Pradesh. And we all know that diamond is used for making jewelry. They are very costly stones. Now next type of minerals are non-metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals include coal, petroleum and natural gas. They are called as fossil fuel. The remains or impression of a prehistoric plant or animal embedded in rock or preserved in petrified form is known as fossil fuel. Now first type of non-metallic mineral is coal. Coal is found deep inside the earth. It is dark brown or black in color. Coal is mainly used as a fuel for running factories and trains. Also used to generate electricity. Huge coal deposits are found in Jharkhand, West Bengal, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Next is mica. India is the largest producer of mica in the world. It is used in the manufacture of aeroplanes, electrical goods and automobiles. Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh and Rajasthan have plenty of mica deposits. Next we have petroleum. Petroleum is found at great depth below Earth's surface. It is taken in form of crude oil. Crude means raw oil. It is refined to make petrol, diesel, kerosene, grease and cooking gas. Wells are dug deep into the ground to extract mineral oil. These are called oil wells. An area which has a number of oil wells is called as oil field. Petroleum is found in Assam, Gujarat and off Konkan coast at Bombay High. Besides being a good fuel, petroleum also gives us diesel, kerosene, plastic, spirit, lubricants and cosmetics. Then natural gas. Natural gas is found along with petroleum in some oil wells. Nowadays, compressed natural gas CNG is used in vehicles. It is pollution free, means CNG does not cause pollution. Now, conversion of minerals. Minerals take millions of years to form. The mineral resources are limited. Therefore, we should be wise in using them and saving them for future. We should turn to other sources of energy like solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy and biogas because these energies are non-exhaustible, they do not cause pollution and they save coal and petroleum. Thank you.